G'day and welcome to Cloth Stitch Fan with Jenny Brandis. This is the mini tutorial number 4 using the frame sampler. At the starting pinhole I have a red passive pair, my green worker pair and a green outside passive pair that adds strength to the outside edge. These will be the incoming passive pairs for the fan. Starting with my working pair, cross, twist and cross. Put aside and bring in the next incoming passive pair. Make sure that you have the twists on the incoming pair to straddle the gap. Cross, twist and cross. Push aside, add a twist on the working pair, put up your pin and tension. That means holding your working pair while bringing down your passives, making sure that there are no ripples in your work. Now we are going to work the working pair back through to here before we put 3 twists on. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. 3 twists, 1, 2, 3 twists, and tension. Now we're going to work the workers through the outside passive pairs in whole stitch. Cross, twist, cross, and twist. Add an extra twist on the outside pair, put up the pin and tension. Now we bring the workers back into the work with cross, twist, cross and twist to secure the outside passives. Tension and lay aside the outside pair. Add the 3 twists to the workers to fill the gap. Continue with cross stitch. Cross, twist, cross, put aside, bring in the next pair. Cross, twist, cross, put aside, bring in the next pair. Make sure the twist is on the incoming pair. Cross, twist, cross. Put a twist on the working pair to go around the pin and put up the pin. Hold the working pair down and tension the passives. Cloth stitch back through the passives, cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in the next pair. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in the next pair. Cross, twist and cross. Holding the passives this time, bring up the workers to tension. Add the 3 gap twists to the workers and tension. Work your outside pair with whole stitch, which is cross, cross and twist. Add a twist to the workers to go around the pin. We add this extra twist on the workers so that when we remove the pin, 2 threads remain locked together. Put up the pin, tension and unwind extra thread on your workers if required. Cross, twist, cross and twist. Lay the outside pair aside. Put 2 extra gap twists on the worker. Cloth stitch through the passives with cross, twist and cross. Bring in the next pair. Check that there is only 1 twist on them, then cross, twist and cross. Add a twist to the workers and put up the pin. Tension on the workers as you ease your passives. Continue working the fan in cloth stitch, adding the 3 gap twists and using whole stitch on the outside pairs. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Add the 3 gap twists to the workers and tension. Work your outside pair with whole stitch, which is cross, twist, cross and twist. Add a twist to the workers to go around the pin. Put up the pin, tension, lengthen the worker threads, cross, twist, cross and twist. tension and add 2 more gap twists to the workers. Cloth stitch back through the fan passives to the corner or next incoming pinhole. Cross, twist, cross on the incoming pair, put a twist on the worker, put up the pin, hold the workers and tension. This is the last incoming pair and it immediately exits out along this line. Cross, twist, cross, add a twist on the outgoing pair and tension. Put the outgoing pair aside. In the second half of the fan, I add more tension. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, tension. Cross, twist, cross, tension. What I'm aiming at here is to have the passives nice and straight. Tension and add the 3 gap twists. Do the whole stitch edge, cross, twist, cross, twist. Add the pin twist. Put up the pin and cross, twist, cross and twist. Add the extra 2 gap twists, cloth stitch through the passives, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Add the twist on the workers, put up the pin and tension. Tension is very important, so take the time to make sure your work is tensioned as you go. Cross, twist and cross through the outgoing pair and add the outgoing twist and put the pair aside. I have just added more thread to one of my working bobbins and you can see how that was done in mini tutorial 9. Continue in cross stitch with the workers through the passives. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. The new thread gets anchored in with the 3 gap twists and the whole stitch edge. Tension, whole stitch through the outside pair, cross, twist, cross, twist, add a pin twist to the workers, put up your pin and tension well. Back through to there. Cross, twist, cross, twist, tension, add 2 gap twists. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, put up your pin and tension well. Work the inner pin pair. Cross, twist, cross, add the twist to the outgoing pair, tension before releasing the old thread from the bobbin. Continue on now as usual. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, 3 gap twists, tension. Cross, twist, cross, twist. Add the pin twist, put up the pin. Cross, twist, cross, twist, tension, add 2 gap twists. Cross stitch through the 2 remaining passive pairs. Twist the worker pair, tension and put up the pin. Cross, twist, cross, add the twist to the outgoing pair and tension. Cross, twist and cross the last passive pair. Add 1 gap twist as a gap is short. Cross, twist, cross, twist, add the pin twist. Put up the pin, tension. Close the pin with cloth, twist, cross, twist, tension, cross, twist and cross, put up the pin,